Okay, y'all, let's make some pancake muffins. Alright, so we are going to start off with 2 cups of pancake mix. I actually have 1.5 cups, so I'm gonna add the other cup later off camera. And so then you're gonna add in 1 egg. Y'all, these pancake muffins are so versatile. You can pretty much put anything in them and they are gonna be bomb, okay? So then you add in some milk. The exact measurements will be listed in the description box. I am using almond milk. And of course, if you watch any of my videos, a lot of times when I'm making stuff, I'm making breakfast for my kids or lunch for my kids, dinner for my kids, I'm eyeballing. I just eyeball it. So I can see already that I'm going to need some more pancake mix. I'm going to need the other half a cup that I missed. All right, so I added in some cooking and flavoring. You can use some vanilla extract or whatever extract that you want. If you are going to be mixing in like some sausage or bacon or whatever, you don't have to add that. You can also add in some sugar. Okay, so if you're going to be eating these just as muffins, add some sugar, or else they're not going to be as sweet. It's going to be kind of tart. But we're going to dip these in some syrup, and I am going to eat them on the side of some eggs. So I'm not going to use any sugar because the sweetness of the syrup would be okay for my kids, and me eating them with eggs would be me eating like pancake and egg sandwich or whatnot. Alright, so I put them in some muffin cups that I lined into my muffin pan. I was only able to get 8 out of the batch that I made with the 2 cups of pancake mix. Definitely double it if you're making more. Right? So I am choosing to add some morsels. So we're doing chocolate chips, we're doing white chocolate, and then I am breaking up some walnuts in some of them. So those are going to be walnuts. So I should have added some caramel. And then I just added some sprinkles to the white chocolate ones that I was being extra with adding into that dark chocolate one, just to make them look pretty. And y'all, this is how they turned out. They baked at 350 degrees for 15 minutes, and they are definitely delicious. They are so soft and yummy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you make these, tag me, let me know, hit me up, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching.